Hey violiners, welcome back to Violin Studio. Today we're going over violin hold and finger placement, and as a bonus I'm giving you a nice tapping exercise that is super easy and is going to help you improve your articulation and control in the left hand fingers. This is going to be a very quick lesson, only 5 minutes long, but keep a notebook next to you so you can take some notes and make your next practice session as effective as possible. Let's go. First, we have to make sure that our shoulder rest is on properly so it fits and violin playing doesn't feel like a neck workout, but it feels really nice and comfortable. That's number one. The second thing that we have to do is we have to tune our violin. Our ear gets used to the pitch that we're playing. So if we play out of tune, we're not gonna develop a very good musical ear. Sorry. You have to tune your violin each time you practice. Next thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna put our left hand like this. Come all the way back at the beginning of our fingerboard. Align the root of your first finger with the beginning of the fingerboard like this. Now, turn with the pinky towards the fingerboard. This is the position that you wanna be in so you can reach all fingers comfortably. If you can't reach your fourth finger, that means you're either pressing with your thumb too much like this, and that stops your flexibility, or it just means that you haven't found a perfect position for your left hand yet. So you have to be able to reach all fingers. Okay, here we are. Let's turn. Now, the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna put the first finger on, one step away from the beginning of the fingerboard. We're gonna think in half steps and whole steps. Whole steps is when fingers are apart, but not only randomly apart, there is only enough space to put one more finger there. That's what one step means, okay? Half step means you have the fingers together like this, or like this. All right, so first finger, one step away from the beginning of the fingerboard. Let's tap lightly like this. 1, 2, and lift. 3, lift. 4, lift. 5, lift. I have a very active lifting on purpose. Try to be active and light when you lift. That's how you improve your articulation. Remember, you're in the beginning of your journey. You're gonna get better, but you have to do these little exercises that are going to help you gain control over your left hand. All right, so now we're gonna keep the first finger on and we're gonna start tapping with the second finger. Second finger is one step away from the first. Keep the lifting active. Do that a couple of times. Now let's keep 1 and 2 and start tapping with the 3. 3 is right next to 2, like this, half a step away. Try to tap in one tempo. So don't do this. This is wrong. This is also wrong. A little bit slower and controlled. Light. Move your thumb a little bit so you can relax the grip. And now fourth finger. Yes, we're doing fourth finger. I always encourage my students to do the fourth finger right away, just because you want the fourth finger to develop together with the other fingers and not stay undeveloped, and then you'll have a problem later on with that. So now fourth finger, one step away from the third. You have space just for one more note there. Very light. Relaxed hand. Put your hand a little bit closer to the fingerboard. If you're here, it's not possible to reach. See, even for me, it's not possible to reach. Keep your wrist straight and turn. All right, let's lift now. Relax the hand. Bring it back, and now let's put it together. Open, close. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open. 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open. Something that is really important is for you not to change your position of hand, your frame, when you put the fourth finger on. So we don't want this. That's not good. You want to keep it in the same position. Look. That's when you know that your hand frame is good. That's when you know that it's correct. When you don't have to adjust the hand just to reach for a finger. You can do it faster or you can do it slower. Keep the fingers curved. And that's it. That's one very easy exercise that you can do every day in the beginning of your violin journey to gain control and articulation in your left hand. Let me know if you try it. Subscribe, comment, and share this video. Thank you so much. Bye.